everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing and swatching the SketchBox Premium Box for February 2021. On this month's box, we have a lovely illustration of a turtle by Chu, and you can follow them at CHUJHSIAO. As always, inside we have a nice little example of what can be done using the items in this month's box. This is by Cassie Murphy, and Cassie Murphy is a web designer and artist at Valve Software, working on projects for Steam in Seattle, Washington. Her most recognizable illustrations include Game of Sits and Purrs and Recreation. She believes it's never too late to find your groove as an artist. And there's a little heart after that. That's adorable. Now to get into the actual art supplies. The first thing we have is a set of Watercolor Graphites by Cretacolor. This SketchBox exclusive pocket set comes with 2 graphite pencils, a primary set of tinted graphite, and an Aquagraph white lightning pencil. The retail price for this is $14.95. And when they say that the white lightning pencil is just a lightning pencil, they mean it. It is not very opaque, as you will see here in these swatches coming up. When doing the dry swatches, it was difficult for me to tell the difference between the colors that came in this set. I could really only tell once I added that water in. I like the colors that came in the Cretacolor set. I think they're going to be great for creating some little moody, grumpy pieces if necessary. The way they apply when wet actually reminds me of experiments I've done with charcoal, where you put down a little bit of charcoal and then you bring in some water. If you've never done it, it's very interesting to try that out and see the different effects you can get. From the Cretacolor set, I specifically like the blue and the red. The green, even when it's wet, I can't really see the greenish tone. That could just be me, though. We all perceive colors slightly differently, which is pretty awesome if you stop and think about it. We can all look at the exact same thing, and the color is going to differ depending on our eyes and our perception. But here you can definitely see the difference between how they apply dry versus when you add a little bit of water to it. Next we have a couple more pencils. These are some Derwent Graphite pencils in Ivy and in Chestnut. These water-soluble pencils create subtle, desaturated swaths of colors. Use them dry for detail work or activate with water to create more vibrant colors. Retail price for these is normally $2.99 each. And the colors are very vibrant once that water is added in. I really love how that green turned out, and the reddish brown's really lovely too, this chestnut color. I think these will be great for some nature scenes. The final pencil we got is a Spectrum Noir color tint in Cafe au Lait. This color first art supply acts like a traditional watercolor pencil when dry and can achieve subtle values when wet. Try it in combination with the chestnut pencil to create skin tone colors, and the retail price for this is normally $2. They gave us a nice brush to use with all the items we got in this month's box. It is a Princeton Heritage round brush in size 6. A classic watercolor brush, the bristle can hold a large amount of water, base medium. It is great for detail work or large areas. The retail price for this is normally $13.65. I did use this brush for all the swatches, and it will be great for filling up larger areas and for getting a little bit of detail work in there. We got some more Derwent stuff here. This is some Graphite in Dark Indigo and Juniper. A new item from Derwent, Graphite pans offer a traditional watercolor experience with tinted graphite. Try using the pans to fill in backgrounds or large areas of color. The retail price for these is normally $3.99 each. I did have an issue when I first opened these up where one of them fell right out of the pan, so be careful. At least for mine, they aren't very secure in there. I do really like the colors, and I think they add some lovely shades to everything else we have going on here. This final item is actually the one I'm most intrigued by. It is by Artgraph, and it is Drawing Graphite Putty. This water-soluble putty acts similarly to an ink stick, as you can add water to create a wide range of values. Try diluting it to create subtle gradients or mix with other water-soluble mediums to create your own tinted graphite. And the retail price for this is normally $8.37. It seems like you can definitely get a wide range of shades with this. It's just a matter of learning how much water to actually add, and I liked the fact that it has that little sheen that graphite has. It's a little sparkly and shiny. Overall, I'm very interested in the stuff that came in this month's box. I think it'll be a lot of fun to experiment with and play around. But with that, this unboxing and these swatches are pretty much done. Therefore, this video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you've used any of the items in this month's box, please let me know all about that in the comment section down below. If you would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do SketchBox unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will most definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!